Richard, the fine-tuning of the universe is something that is generally recognized today, and many scientists go from that to the concept of multiple universes in which, with an enormity, an infinite number of universes, one or a few universes would be able to produce such fine-tuning to produce human beings. That, to many scientists, eliminates God.
Yes, the argument is parallel to if you toss 1,000 coins 1,000,000 times, you're bound to get one of these coins in which there are a large number of heads in a row. And so fine-tuning might well happen if there are a large number of universes which are all have different laws of nature, and one of them is bound to be a bit like ours.
That's all capricious, all chance.
That's the way the argument goes. Now, why should we think there's any more than one universe? I have a slight feeling that the reason why some scientists think there are more than one universe is that they don't like to admit that this is the only universe, because if it did, it would provide rather a good argument for God. It may well turn out that there are good arguments for multiple universes, but it's now important to notice what the structure of such arguments would be. It would clearly have to be based on phenomena which we observe in our universe. And it would have to be the case that, as it were, there are certain phenomena which are best explained by supposing that such and such laws are the laws of nature, and that if you extrapolate backwards from the present state of the universe and these laws of nature, you come to a stage in the history where, as it were, the laws of nature are such that they bud off another universe in which things are a bit different. If you suppose there are totally different universes over there, you couldn't extrapolate from the laws which govern our universe to supposing that there were such universes. But that means that there are certain general laws which govern all the universes in the multi-universe. And it might be that they have the character such that they are bound to throw up a universe which is fine-tuned for life, although the others aren't. But then the question re-emerges at the next level. Why is our multi-universe, the one we belong to, such that it is fine-tuned in such a way as to throw up a universe fine-tuned for life, when it's logically possible there could have been innumerable other multi-universes? Why is there a multi-universe in which there's a universe fine-tuned for life, rather than a multi-universe in which there isn't a universe fine-tuned for life?
The answer would be is that all of the above. It's all there, or all could be there.
Well, I'm afraid that answer won't do, because there have to be certain general laws governing the evolution of universes. If we didn't think that, we wouldn't have any grounds for postulating any other universes.
I think you would need laws, but they don't necessarily have to be the same general laws. Maybe a series of universe has capricious laws.
But if it does, you could have no reason for believing in its existence. The only reason for believing in the existence of another universe must be because you have reason for believing that there are laws which throw up both our universe and the other universe. And therefore the re-emergent question is, why is there a multi-universe fine-tuned? Fine-tuned in the sense that it throws up a universe which is fine-tuned for life.
Right.
The question is exactly the same as the question before. Instead of the original question, why are we living in a universe fine-tuned for life?
Why are we living in a multi-universe?
Yes, why are we living in a multi-universe? And again, the question is the same sort of answer, because there are innumerable multi-universes which are not fine-tuned for life, and therefore it's very surprising. It's just one of the very small possibilities that we are living in this sort of universe, and it requires an explanation.